I had no plan, no backup, no online experience, and no idea how affiliate marketing even worked. All I knew was this: what I was doing wasn't working anymore, and waiting wasn't an option. Instead of trying to figure everything out, I did the opposite. I plugged into a system that was already built. And that's the thing that most people miss about affiliate marketing. You don't need to create products. You don't need to start by learning complicated tech. You start by using what already exists. I followed a clear step-by-step process, a proven offer, a simple funnel already set up, daily activities that take about 2 to 3 hours a day, and no guessing and no experimenting. That's how I built an online business. Not slowly, not painfully, but with momentum. Affiliate marketing already works with a structure that is already in place. That's why results come faster. That's why the likelihood of success is much higher. And that's why you don't have to sacrifice your life to make it work. And if you don't have a plan, that's okay. You don't need one. You just need the right system. Comment ready if you want to know exactly how to build an online business with affiliate marketing without delay, overwhelm, or wasted time.